Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become certified SolidWorks professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass SolidWorks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. In this lecture, we're going to look at some advanced options of the Untrim surface. So we have this surface from the previous lecture, and now let's go to Untrim surface. Here, and now let's go here, let's choose this edge here, and let's choose this edge here. And now let's go to our options. Here we have edge untrim type. We have extend edges. So we see that we have this edge that's extending here, and this edge is extending here, and they meet at this point. But we can also go connect endpoints. What it means? That means that those endpoints, this endpoint and this endpoint, will be connected here, like this. Let's check this. And now we got this result. Now if we check this one as well, nothing happens. So this doesn't work. You can only use this combination when we have extended edges, like this. So we can delete this, and let's go with connect endpoints. Let's click OK. Now let's go again back to Untrim surface, and let's check this edge, like this, and let's go with extended edges. Now we have this preview, this result. Now if we go to connect endpoints, we don't see any preview, but if we choose this edge, then we got this result. But if we choose also this edge, then we got the same result as with extend edges. Let's click OK. Let's clear here, clear selection. Let's go here. Let's choose this edge and let's choose this edge. And now we got this result, as you see, this one. If we want a full surface back, we have to go to extended edges, like this. So it's up to us how you're gonna use this. Now let's clear selection. So if we go here, let's choose this edge. Now we have extended edges. If we go connect endpoints, nothing happens. So we can only use here extended edges, like this. And those are some advanced options that you can use with Untrim surface. So you can go with extended edges, or you can go with connect endpoints of the edges that you selected. If you're tired of watching on YouTube videos and buying cheap courses who always leave you wishing and wanting for more, and you want to have personal support to learn the SolidWorks from the absolute zero to the professional level to improve and start your career, check the link below and visit our Super SolidWorks Accelerator Academy. As well, if you like this video, click like and subscribe.